In this topic, integrated circuit. Integrated circuit means in very small dimension we have many logic gates, RC circuit, LCR series circuit. So many circuits are there in one smaller dimension stone. So integrated circuit means there is only one chip which is a rectangular shape, and that rectangular shape have many legs, right? So we have to put this chip inside any circuit, right? So this is made up of fiber, and inside this fiber there is a one chip. In that chip we are having many logic gates, many small circuits. So by this smaller chip we can get so much outputs, right? So integrated circuit, first it is called monolithic IC, monolithic integrated circuit. See, first of all, what is mono? Mono means one and lithic means stone. So only in one stone we are having so much output, right? Also, we are having different type of ICs with a number of logic gates. So first is SSI. So small integrated circuit. In SSI, logic gates are which is less than or equal to 10. So only 10 logic gates are there in SSI. Then MSI, medium scale integrated circuit, small scale integrated circuit, logic gates are less than or equal to 100. Then large scale integrated circuit, logic gates are less than equal to 1000. And at last we are having VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit. So logic gates are greater than 1000. So we are having different type of integrated circuit. This costing is very much because of too many logic gates are there. So these outputs, this VLSI gives us so much output, that's why it is costly, right? So in many computers we are using this type of SSI, MSI and LSI integrated circuit. So in very small chip we have larger value of output, so that is called integrated circuit.